What's up everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to replace the battery in this Kia Sedona remote key fob. This key fob is going to work on the 2015 to 2021 Kia Sedona, and it's going to use replacement battery CR2032. I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. So the first thing I'm going to do is grab my key fob and remove the emergency key that's in the bottom of it. That's done by pressing this button on the back of the fob that my thumb's on, and the emergency key will slide out like that. Now if we take a look at the bottom of the key fob, this is the notch that key just slid out of. And then we also notice there's this notch right here. What I'm going to do is take my key and stick it in that notch. It only goes in about that far. Make sure you're pushing it in, and while I'm pushing in, I'm going to twist the key like I'm opening a lock. So make sure you're pushing in with some pressure, and then twist, and you can see it starts to open the case. Go ahead and pull the case apart with our hands. And in the back half of the case, we see our battery right here. And I'll use my key to get in this little cutout on the battery holder right here. Get under the edge of the battery and pop that out of the holder. Now I'm going to grab my new replacement battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing your new battery with the plus side down, positive side down. And I'm going to tuck this edge in first that's down here near the metal key ring. So tuck that edge in first like that, and then snap the battery down into place. And now we can snap the two halves back together. And if your circuit board has moved around at all in that clear little rubber piece, make sure that's sitting where it needs to be. And then we can snap the two halves back together, slide our emergency key back in, and that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.